What is up, guys? Justin here, bringing you a brand new video. And today we are going to be reacting to one of the most famous challenges, the Roast Yourself Challenge. So basically, the Roast Yourself Challenges is basically Ryan Nigga Higa made it where instead of everybody showing hate to other people, you show hate to yourself and you can see how it feels to be burned. Okay, so first we're gonna start with Wasabi Productions, one of my favorite YouTubers. Okay, so we're gonna start with. You the best that ever was. Alright, we're gonna watch it from the beginning.
Roast yourself! Roast yourself! Why is this so...
Let's get this video to 7 likes and I'll make a Roast Yourself challenge. Actually, let's get this video to 5 likes and I'll make my own Roast Yourself challenge next video. Can we do this in under 2 days? Let's see.
Hard! What's up, man? I'm trying to write this Roast Yourself challenge, but I'm not a rapper. Look, you're just trying... I can do this. You the best that ever was and ever will be. Your name is known around the world, Mr. Wasabi. Wait, did I say everyone knows you? What I meant was that you're famous from ages 1 to 2. I mean, really, what's the dilly? Subs 5 milli? Views 2 billy? Way too much for you because you're just too silly. Yeah, I'm rapping about myself. So let me tell me, you think you do it big? You ain't nothing, can you feel me? You got haters every single place you go, cause you ran out of ideas oh so many years ago. Stop playing, acting, lying like you didn't know. Then why you making challenges every video?
That's true.
Years in the game, no
I think
respect
after
on the
Roy
name.
left, he just went
Ain't
through a
no one to
depression or
blame,
something.
you're a lame, that's a shame. All I'm saying is you don't deserve the fame. Only thing that's hot about you is your very last name. Thinking you hot when really you are cold, sounding like you stole your voice from a female 12-year-old, and your baby face with facial hair that never ever grows. Listen, rapping ain't your thing, man, I thought that you should know. With that ego to your head just might explode. That's probably why we're quit and left you on your own. You alone.
And it hurt you to the bone.
You hide your pain with humor so your
Tears
tears
will never show.
Look, listen, I'm not trying to be mean, but even when
I heard
you
this
rap,
just
it
slap
sounds
like
this.
a million
I hear
times.
from the scene. I hope you see that your girly giggling makes you less of a man whenever it is her to see. And with them bad grades being all F's and D's, college was achievable only in your dreams. You won't be on the map with your lips gross and cracked. You're never on the attack, taking too many naps, man. You about to get slapped, man. You fell through the cracks, man. It's telling you like, man. This rap has gone on for way too long. Just remember, if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. Yeah. You're doing it wrong.
Yeah, that's just kind of dumb. Okay, so I never saw Who's YouTube versus Rice. No, Roast Yourself. Oh my god. Hold on, let me look for. Okay, we're actually going to watch Rice.
Hey guys, it's me again. So lately I've been noticing that there's a lot of YouTube... Dude, that shit was weak as fuck. What do you mean? Why were you going easy on yourself? Oh, I mean, it's just like, it's kind of hard to roast me because like, there's not much things you can roast about. Like, you know, I'm kind of perfect. Oh boy, if you don't get yo, chill. Look, I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Yeah, I don't think. No. But guys.
Hey guys, so if you follow what's going on in the YouTube community,
Challenge. It's easy to call someone out on something. If my head was... But we have just as many flaws as everyone else. And once you realize and call yourself out on these flaws, it's a lot harder to make fun of someone else's flaws. So let's stop the drama. Stop making fun of people. Stop mocking and judging people and just take a long look at ourselves. And just tear ourselves a new one. I'm Ryan Higa, and this is the Roast Yourself Challenge. Started the game young, looking back in 06. Yeah, I'd wear a hat too if my head were dipped in piss. But I guess I shouldn't hate on a kid who's relevant. Good thing you're not anymore, you gained some weight, you elephant. Irrelevant like television, wouldn't even watch from a cell in prison. Oh, you wanna prove me wrong? Well, let's test your intelligence. 17 million subs with 2 million views. That's 15 million people who don't care about you.
Bye, guys. Well, sorry to end it. Well, I've been thanking my sub thing, and it's gonna be really special next video. I have to cut it short. But thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.